Hi, welcome back. Here are your pieces for the lounge chair. This is the place that you would lay down. And then these two are the supports. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is probably sand some of these flat surfaces a little bit because you might want to paint this or put some finish or something on these supports. It's easier to paint it first. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to leave this as it is and just show you what to do. So you'll need some super glue or something that is along that line, something that grips really fast. And you're just going to apply this to, I'd start here at this end and just do this in sections. So I'm going to put this down to protect the board. But this bends, see, gently. And I wanted to line it up here with this very end and then hold this steady while it dries. So unfortunately, it's not going to stick immediately. So you're gonna need to hold this for a second. Okay, so that part dried. I'm just going to gently bend this and I'm going to put my glue in here and bend this. And you probably wanna put your thumb underneath, like in this spot, so that it doesn't bend too much. But I'm going to put the glue and then go probably all the way up this time. Maybe just a section. Okay, so it should look like this when you're done with one side, and then we're just going to go ahead and repeat the process and do it for the other side. So we just start down here at the bottom and we'll add a little glue, and then we'll just go all the way around and up, and then that will be it. And you're finished, and you can paint it or you can put a clear coat on the teak stain if you want. So thank you so much for your purchase.